Number 8, we're given a hydrogen proton concentration of 0.005 of a solution, and we need to come up with the following. So we need to find our pH, our POH, and then we need to determine, is this acidic, basic, or neutral? I typically look at the pH number. If it's between 0 and 7, we know it's acidic. If it's greater than 7, up to 14, we know it is basic. All right, so we need to know for the first part, this is how we determine our pH. We take the negative log of that concentration, whatever you're given. Usually it's quite a tiny number. That's 5/1,000. I'm getting, when I do negative log of that concentration, I'm getting 2.30. Okay. And that's pretty acidic, right? That's like stomach acid acidic, I think. Going back to A and P, what I know about that. But anyway, yes, we're definitely looking at acidic. I already answered the third option. To find POH, again, we just use what we know about POH and pH put together. We add them together, we'll get 14. So our POH would be 14 minus 2.30, 11.7. All right, so that's our POH right there. So again, pH, POH, and then we know this particular solution is acidic because it's way less than our neutral position at 7. All right, see you in the next video.